Hey, it's Sam with Just Grill and Outdoor Living. Today, we're going to be making grilled chicken sandwiches with pimento cheese on the Weber SmokeFire pellet grill. Grilled chicken sandwiches are a quick and easy meal to make any night of the week, and it's simple to add a variation like pimento cheese to it. We're cooking these on the Weber SmokeFire pellet grill, so let's get started. I'm going to cook using pecan wood. This is one of my favorite pellet flavors to use for chicken. I'm setting the SmokeFire to 350 degrees. My ingredients are simple. I just need buns, chicken breasts, pickle, mayonnaise, and pimento cheese. I'm using a store-bought pimento cheese that I really like. It has a great creamy flavor and makes this a much faster recipe. The buns that we use, it's just really a personal preference, but I like using brioche buns. While the grill is heating up, let's get our chicken ready. We're gonna take a chicken breast and make cutlets out of it. First thing we're gonna do is cut the white tendons off the breast. Depending on your tolerance, you might leave more on than I do. I pretty much trim all of it off. To make cutlets, we are simply going to take our knife, hold the breast up, locate the center, and cut down the center. You can also cut horizontally across, but I prefer doing it the other way. I feel I get a cleaner cut. Now that we have our cutlets, we're going to season the chicken. I'm using a jalapeno ranch rub from John Henry. This season is zesty, which will pair nice with the creaminess of the pimento cheese. The SmokeFire is up to temp, so it's time to throw these on. To create a quick non-stick layer on the grates, I'm going to drag the cutlets back and forth where I plan to place them. It'll create a nice non-stick barrier. Since these were cut into cutlets and they're not full-size chicken breasts, they're not going to take nearly as long to cook. So after about 3 minutes, I'm going to start flipping every 2 to 3 minutes, and then after 10 minutes, I'm going to check them with an instant read. The chicken's reading 165 degrees internally, which means it's time to pull these off. Give the chicken a few minutes to cool down. Once you've done that, the plating process is pretty simple. Grab your bun. I'm going to swab the top bun with mayo, and then I'm going to put the pickles next. I'm going to add the chicken to the bottom bun, and then a nice spoonful and rub it around heavy portion of this pimento cheese. Best part's always digging in. It's creamy, tender, juicy, zesty. It's perfect. It's got every flavor that we want. That's grilled chicken sandwiches on the Weber SmokeFire pellet grill. I hope you like this recipe. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you at the store soon.